Suppression states allow me to turn features on or off, or control which components are in each configuration of a part. For example, if I right click on either one of these components here and I click on suppress, it's going to remove that component. If I go back and turn it back on, so I unsuppress it, it brings it back. If I go to this first component here, I can do the exact same thing, suppress that component or bring it back. I also have a feature down here that is cutting through both of these parts as an in assembly feature. I can right click on that and suppress that feature and it takes it out of both parts. So a couple different options for suppression states in this assembly. I'm going to go ahead and turn that right back on and then take a look at some configurations. So over here at configurations, I have a default configuration, and that one doesn't happen to have that rectangle cut out in the center. If I switch between the other one, it'll show up. Now if I go to this configuration here and I, for instance, take this part here and suppress it, when I go back to my configuration, I go to my default, it shows up in there because in this configuration it's not suppressed. So that gives us the ability to turn parts on or off and turn features on or off. In the same respect, in this configuration here, I can open up an individual part, click on like a boss extrude for these pins, and suppress just those pins. Go back to my assembly, go back to option 2, and it's not there. Same thing over here. If I do unsuppress it and show it, you can see the pins don't show up. So you have a lot of configuration options by using suppression states.